Matatag K-10 Curriculum, Math 4, Quarter 3, Week 2. Identify the multiples of given numbers up to 100. Use multiples in finding equivalent fractions and find all the factors of a given number up to 100. Day 1. Short review. What is 4 times 5? 20. What is 20 divided by 2? 10. What is 10 times 7? 70. What is 70 divided by 5? 14. What is 14 times 3? 42. Using colored multiplication table, give the missing numbers to complete the multiplication table. Closely look at the number in the green boxes and the blue boxes. What have you noticed? Answer: same numbers. What have you noticed with the numbers in the orange box? Answer: they are products of numbers multiplied by themselves. What other patterns do you see? A multiple is a number that we get when a number is multiplied by a natural or counting number. A factor of a number is a divisor of the given number that divides it completely without leaving any remainder. Common multiples. We can find some of the common multiples of 2 and 3 by listing them. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. The common multiples of 2 and 3 up to 30 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Based on the examples, how do we get the common multiples of given numbers? Answer: list the multiples of a given number by multiplying the number by another number or skip count. And identify the common multiple from the list. Let us get the common multiples of the following numbers up to 100 only. What are the common multiples of 3 and 9? We have here 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, and 99. The common multiples of 3 and 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99. What are the common multiples of 6, 5, and 10? The common multiple of 6, 5, and 10 are 30, 60, and 90. What are the common multiples of 10, 20, and 25? The common multiples of 10, 20, and 25 is 100. What are the common multiples of 4, 9, and 12? We have here 36 and 72. Let us analyze and solve this sample word problem. To answer this, we will get the less common multiples of 3 and 4. The white light flashes every 3 minutes while blue light flashes every 4 minutes. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12. Therefore, the lights will flash together after every 12 minutes and they will flash again at 7:42 p.m. Day 2. List the multiples of each of the given numbers up to 100. Then identify the common multiples of each set. So answer for lesson activity. Analyze and solve the given word problem. Show the necessary solution. The less common multiple is 36. Day 3. Subtopic 2. Using multiples of a given number up to 100 in determining equivalent fractions. The models provide clear illustrations of equivalent fractions, although with different numerators and denominators. The fractions have the same amount or quantity of shaded part. Given the same examples, let us identify if fractions are equivalent without using models but by applying our lesson on multiples. What have you noticed with a given set of fractions? When you multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number, you can generate fractions equivalent to the given fractions. Therefore, 1/2 equals 2/4 equals 3/6 equals 4/8 equals 5/10. When you multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number, you are as if multiplying them by a fraction equal to 1. Remember that any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. Give the first 5 equivalent fractions of the following. Solutions on letter A. Letter B. Letter C. Letter D. Letter E. Again, how do we generate fractions equivalent to a given fraction? To generate equivalent fractions, multiply both the numerator and denominator of a given fraction by the same number. Aside from generating equivalent fractions, we can also determine or check if the given fractions are equivalent without using models or visual representations. So find the missing number to make the fractions equivalent. To check if these fractions are equivalent, we can use cross multiplication. 2 times 15 equals 30. 5 times 6 equals 30. Next, 3 times 10 equals 30. And 15 times 2, 30. What have you noticed? If after doing cross multiplication, the products are equal, the fractions are equivalent. Check if the pair of fractions are equivalent. Solution. Equivalent. Letter B. Equivalent. Not equivalent. Again, we can use cross multiplication to determine or check if fractions are equivalent. Based on the examples, how to perform cross multiplication in order to determine if the fractions are equivalent. Number 1. Multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction. Number 2. Multiply the denominator of the first fraction by the numerator of the second fraction. Number 3. If the products are the same, the fractions are equivalent. Lesson activity. Answer the following. Give any 5 fractions equivalent to the given fraction. Limit your answer to fractions whose numerator and denominator are up to 100 only. Answers for the lesson activity. Test 2. Using cross multiplication, check whether the fractions are equivalent or not. Write your answer in the blank after the given. Answers for the lesson activity. Day 4. Subtopic 3. Factoring a given number up to 100. What numbers are multiplied to get the product 20? Answer: 20 and 1, 5 and 4, 10 and 2. What do you call the numbers being multiplied to get the product? Answer: the numbers being multiplied to get the product are called factors. Factor the given numbers. So what are the common factors of 6 and 8? Factors of 6. Common factors of 6 and 8, 1 and 2. Which of the common factors of 6 and 8 is the greatest? So the answer is 2. Another. What are the common factors of 12 and 18? So the answer is 1, 2, 3, and 6. Which of the common factors of 12 and 18 is the greatest? So the answer is 6. Based on the examples, how do we get the common factors of given numbers? List the factors of a given number. Identify the common factors from the list. One is the common factor. What is the common factor of 8 and 15? So the common factors of 8 and 15, 1. So let's answer this. Number 1, factors. Common factors, 1 and 3. Number 2, common factor, only 1. Number 3, factors, common factors, we have here 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Number 4, Day 5. Complete the table. These two, fill in the missing number to make the fractions equivalent. These three, determine if the fractions are equivalent through cross multiplication. Put a check if fractions are equivalent and X if not. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.